Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about modern kitchen design ideas. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Dear viewers, modern kitchen design has become a popular way to add personality and flair to any home. From sleek contemporary designs to bold, bright color schemes, there are so many unique ideas for creating the perfect modern kitchen. Whether it's classic white cabinets with stainless steel appliances or bright colors and patterns, there's something for every style and budget. Kitchen designers need to stay abreast of the latest trends in the modern kitchen design to create stunning space for their clients. Here we will explore some of the hottest trends and ideas in modern kitchen design. From incorporating natural materials like stone and wood to embracing statement making hardware and appliances, we want to help you master the art of creating a modern kitchen that reflects the client's personal style and meets their needs. Whether you are interested in giving the kitchen an entirely new look or just want to give it a subtle facelift, these modern kitchen design tips are sure to help you get started on the right track. One trend that is particularly popular for modern kitchens is keeping the space open for maximum efficiency. Open kitchens are often seen as more contemporary than closed off ones, while still providing the necessary functionality. This type of design is particularly ideal for a kitchen facelift, as it can provide a more modern look to an existing space in a cost-effective way. You can easily add an industrial feel with the right essence for a kitchen upgrade. Industrial design is all about adding a contemporary elements that are both functional and stylish. Gold accents add a touch of classic and sophistication to any kitchen space. These accents can tie in perfectly with the existing design or act as a statement piece to refresh the look of the kitchen. Using gold accents is an easy way to give a kitchen a modern facelift without having to do major renovations. A single good cabinet door handle or wall light fixture can bring the kitchen into the next decade and make it feel timeless all at once. When designing a modern kitchen, it's important to remember the traditional elements that have been used in kitchens throughout the centuries. While contemporary kitchen design has certainly come a long way, there are still some classic touches that can be included to give a timeless yet modern appeal to a kitchen. One traditional element that can be used to great effect is a frame house sink. These sinks have been popular for countries and are making a comeback in modern kitchen designs. A farmhouse sink adds an old world charm to the kitchen while being incredibly practical for washing dishes or prepping food. Materials are the key elements to creating a modern style in any kitchen. With so many options available, you need to be mindful of which ones will create the best overall look and feel for the space. For a modern kitchen design, consider using contemporary materials such as stainless steel, quartz countertops, or glass backsplashes. These materials all offer a high-end look with a modern touch and can be easily incorporated into existing kitchen designs. When selecting materials, think about how do they will work together. Make sure to combine colors and textures so that everything flows seamlessly in the space. Also consider what kind of functionality you want from the material. For instance, if the kitchen gets a lot of use, you may need to select materials that are easy to clean and maintain. When considering modern kitchen design, many designers debate whether to go all white or opt for a full beige palette. While both are modern styles, each has advantages and disadvantages. For example, going all white offers the advantage of brightening up a space and making it feel larger than it actually is. It also creates a clean and contemporary look with minimal effort and cost. The downside of this option is that it can be difficult to keep a white kitchen looking spotless and fresh without frequent cleaning and maintenance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.